Good morning, student. Today we will start the exercise 13.2. In your 13.1, you had learned surface area of a cuboid and a cube. And today we will start the cylinder. Okay? A cylinder has a curved surface and two plain circular surfaces, one at the base and other at the top. The radii of the base and the top are always equal. The radius of the base is also called the radius of the cylinder. So, unless stated otherwise, radius of a cylinder shall mean base radius of the cylinder. So, now we will start curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. R means radius of a cylinder. Pi you know 22 upon 7 or 3.14, and h, that is height of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder, that is pi d h also. Why? Because directly diameter is given. So diameter of the cylinder, that is 2r. Now children, we will start curved surface area of a cylinder equal circumference of base into height. Pi, total surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r bracket r plus h. Pi is an irrational number, so its decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring. But for calculation purpose, we will use its approximate value 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Students, now we will start 13.2. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, first of all, let radius of the base of right circular cylinder equal r centimeter. Height is given 14 centimeter and curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 88 centimeter square. Now, curved surface area of a cylinder, that is given 88. Okay, so here equal to pi RH, we will write 2 pi 22 upon 7. R नहीं मिला है क्योंकि डायमीटर पूछ रहा है. ओके, R और इंटू 14. नाउ R इक्वल 88. ओके, अब मैं R को इधर लेकर आई, 88 को इधर लेकर आई. अब मैं उल्टा करूँगी. 7 upon 22 इंटू 1 upon 14 and into 1 upon 2. Clear? So now we will do the calculation. Okay, and with the calculation 7 2. Okay, 22 here 4 times. Okay, 4 2 2 cut. So R equal 1 centimeter. So diameter of the base of cylinder equal to R. Clear? So 2 into 1. So radius is, diameter is 2 centimeter. Thank you children. Children, good morning. We can start the second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Okay, and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of sheets are required for the same? So first, radius of a base of a cylindrical tank, we will write r centimeter. तो diameter क्या हो जाएगा? 2r. So 2r equal 140 centimeter. Okay. So r equal 140 upon 2. So we can write r equal 70 centimeter. Okay. First way convert हो गया. Now convert in meters. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो height है वो meters में है. तो 70 upon 100. ओके, 0 0 कट, तो 0.7 मीटर. ओके, सो रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? 0.7 मीटर और हाइट भी मीटर. दोनों हाइट में आ गई. क्लियर? हाइट भी आ गई और आर भी आ गया. क्लियर? और पाई तो 22 अपॉन 7 है एंड 2. Okay, so now total surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r h plus r, or you can write r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7 r 0.7, and here bracket 0.7 plus h 1. ओके, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1.7. ओके, 7 कट हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 0.1. सो 2 इंटू 22 इंटू 0.1 इंटू 1.7. So you will get 1 and 2. 2 के बाद आएगा decimal. So you will get the 7.48 meter square. So here 7.48 meter square metal sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. Thank you, children. Now students, we will start third question of 13.2. A metal pipe is 77 meter long. मतलब उसकी हाइट कितनी है 77. Inner diameter of cross section is 4. Diameter है तो 4 divided by 2 2. Outer diameter is section being 4.4 centimeter divided by 2, that is 2.2. We have to find out inner curved surface area and outer surface area, and then total surface area. Clear? So first, length of pipe is 77. Inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter. Inner radius of a cross section r equal 4 upon 2, that is 2 centimeter, as the pipe is in the shape of cylinder. So we will write inner curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r h. Okay, so 2 into 22 upon 7, radius is 2, and the height, the length of pipe, that is height of the cylinder 77. You can cut 11. 2 into 22, 2 into 11, that is 968 centimeter square. Now, the length of pipe, outer. Okay, so here the length of pipe is 77 centimeter, and the outer diameter of this one is given 4.4 divided by 2, that is 2.2. Now we are writing 2 pi कैपिटल आर एच. वाई? बिकॉज ये जो फर्स्ट वाला जो है वो 4 सेंटीमीटर डायमीटर है, और जो बाहर वाला है 4.4 सेंटीमीटर का डायमीटर है. ओके, सिलेंडर एक ही है. ओके, लेकिन अंदर का डायमीटर एंड बाहर का डायमीटर. सो वी कैन, हम अलग से बता सकते हैं. तो 2 इंटू 22 अपॉन 7 इंटू आर 2.2, एंड दिस वन एच इज 77. यू विल गेट आंसर 1064.8 centimeter. Now there are two circles of radius 2 centimeter and 2.2 centimeter at both the ends of the pipe. Area of two edges of the pipe. Okay, so 2 area of a outer circle minus area of a inner circle. So we can write 2 outer, what is the given, 2 pi r square. Okay, तो 2 कॉमन निकाल दिया, r square, pi r square. So 2 pi, and here minus pi r square. तो अभी 2 pi भी कॉमन आ जाएगा. ओके, सो आई कैन राइट 2 pi r square minus r small square. 2 into 22 upon 7. r आउटर का कितना है 2.2, इनर कितना है 2. ओके, so 44 upon 7, here 4.84 minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Clear? So here you will get 44 upon 7 into 0.84, you will get 528 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area of a pipe, inner plus outer, and area of two edges. Edges में हम क्या करते हैं, सेकेंड में से, आउटर में से माइनस इनर को करते हैं. सो 968 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर प्लस 1064.8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 5.28 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So total a surface area of the pipe is 2038.08 centimeter square. Thank you, children. Student, we will start question 4 of your exercise, that is 13.2. Okay, exercise 13.2. The diameter of a roller is 84. Divided by 2 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा 42. And its length is 120 centimeter. Both are in centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Clear? Playground को level करने के लिए उसको 120 करने पड़ते हैं. Find the area of the playground but in meters. ये जो सब है what is given in centimeter. So you have to multiply this one, divide. Okay. Diameter of a roller 84. R equal D upon 2. So R equals to 84 upon 2. So R equals to 42 centimeter. Length of roller, that is given 120 centimeter. Because roller is in the shape of cylinder, curved surface area of a cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. So 22 upon 7, R is 22, height is 120. Everything is given in the centimeter square. Now convert in meters, because हमें meters में निकालना है. So 31,680 divided by, अब square है तो क्या हो जाएगा 100 into 100. तो कितने ज़ीरो हो जाएंगे 4 ज़ीरो. तो 1 2 3 4. Okay, so what is the answer will coming 3.1680. Now area leveled by the roller in one revolution is 3.1680 meters square. Therefore, area leveled by roller in 500 revolution is, okay, हम क्या करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 500 into 3.1680. So now area leveled by roller in 500 revolution is 500 into 3.1680. So that comes answer 1584 meters square. Thus the area of a playground is 1584 meters square. Thank you, children. Good morning, children. Now we will start the fifth question. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting curved surface area of a pillar at the rate of 12 rupee 50 paisa per meter square. Now solution. For the cylindrical pillar, diameter is 50. Okay, so R equals to 50 upon 2. So we can write 25. Now here, convert in meters. So 25 upon 100, that is 1 upon 4. So we can write, okay, here, first of all, 25. Okay, now meters, 25 upon 100. So 1 upon 4. Height is 3.5. Now curved surface area of a pillar, 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 upon 7. 1 upon 4. This one H, 3.5 upon 10. Okay, so now easily we will get the answer. 7 card here also. We can do the direct multiplication. You will get 11 upon 2 meters square. Cost of whitewashing 1 meter square equal 12 rupee 50 paisa. Cost of whitewashing 11 upon 2 meter square equal 12.50 into 11 upon 2. Clear? So now we will get the answer rupees 68.75. Thus the cost of painting curved surface area of a pillar is 68.75 paise. Thank you, children.